You open your eyes. You reach for your nightstand. Seed the narine, conspac connectoritas reen, raidreen salden, sheave the cutsty. Lead. And there's nothing there. Your phone is gone, and it's not coming back for 30 days. Over the next 72 hours, your brain is going to go through something remarkably close to withdrawal. You'll feel your pocket buzzing. A future lies that ain't can more tot ruzzin' from a phone that isn't there anymore. But what happens on day 21? That's the real reason I made this video. Let's start at hour 1. Hour 1. You touch your pocket without even noticing. The average adult checks their phone up to 96 times a day. Every notification trained your brain with a small hit of dopamine. Your phone was a slot machine in your pocket. Sometimes the prize was an exciting message. Sometimes, nothing at all. That unpredictability is what makes the hook so powerful. Hour 6. You feel your leg vibrate. You look down. There's nothing there. It's called phantom vibration syndrome, and 9 out of 10 phone users have experienced it. Your brain is so conditioned to expect the signal that it invents one. Day 2. Irritable, anxious. Studies have measured real spikes in heart rate and blood pressure when people are separated from their phones. Your body reacts as if it has lost something vital. Now, Jesus resolvely filled be the human. Day 3. You rediscover something you'd forgotten existed. Boredom. And here's the first twist. Boredom is not your enemy. It's how your brain connects ideas and generates creativity. It's where your best ideas are born. And you'd spent years interrupting it every 10 minutes. Day 5. With no blue light suppressing your melatonin, you fall asleep faster and sleep deeper. You wake up rested. Strange feeling, isn't it? Week 2. And this is where it gets good. Day 9. Your attention starts repairing itself. After every interruption, your brain needs over 20 minutes to regain deep focus. Now you read 10 pages of a book straight through, sud the between-worn heartbeat, and you don't even notice the time passing. Day 12. You hold eye contact again. A phone sitting on the table, even switched off, measurably lowers the quality of a conversation. Day 15. Your memory improves. You had outsourced your memories to your phone. Scientists call it digital amnesia. Take away the crutch, and your hippocampus starts training again. Day 18. The phantom vibrations are gone. The slot machine has been switched off. Day 21. You wake up, and for the first time in years, you don't want to check anything. What disappeared has a name: FOMO, the fear of missing out, a constant mental noise you'd mistaken for your personality. And here's what changes everything. You didn't miss the pleasure. You missed the anesthesia, the escape from being alone with your own thoughts. Day 25. People start telling you, you look different, more present. You finish what you start. Day 30. Your phone comes back. 2,400 notifications. And then you discover the final secret. You didn't miss anything. The ones that actually mattered, you can count on one hand. The practical version: notifications off by default, screen in grayscale. And one golden rule: the phone never sleeps in your bedroom. So the real question isn't whether you could last 30 days. It's this. How many times will you check yours in the next 10 minutes? Count them and tell me in the comments.